keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
Hello, Southern Colorado, and welcome to 11 Connects. I'm your host, Ryan Nelson, and today we have three unique guests. We have Virginia, James, and Marquesa. How are you all today?
Fantastic.
Great, thank you.
I'm glad you all are here because we are at one of the premier neighborhoods, Victory Ridge. Can we talk about everything that's around here? Because I feel like there's so much to do.
So this area is thriving and growing. It's right off Interquest. This is where you'll find things like Scheels, every restaurant you can imagine, both franchises and some local owned companies. It's in desirable school district 20, and it's unique because it's one of the few areas that you can walk from your door to tons of amenities. So James is going to tell us a little bit more about this specific location.
Excellent, thank you, Marquesa. So one of the biggest draws for this area is the fact that we've got a really beautiful park. It's an 8-acre park. It's tucked in away off of the Interquest Parkway. It's amazing. You should definitely come and check out the park, bring your kids, have some fun, and drop by the models as well. We have also a circuit that's along the park that you can take advantage of if you live here in the community, making it easier for you to exercise. So come check us out. We'd love to have you come by.
Such a beautiful area. I know everyone at home is watching and they're like, wow, I can't wait to see what the inside looks like. Can we talk about some of these homes?
Yeah, we've got great homes. We've got two different product types, single family and townhomes. The wonderful thing is on both products, you can lock the door and go and enjoy the lifestyle. Very little maintenance on the single family, if any, and of course townhomes, there's really no maintenance on those. They range from 1,100 square feet up to about 2,100, 2 to 4 bedrooms. They're great for any family.
I know I'm sold, and I know there's a ton of people that are watching that are sold as well. If they wanted to get in contact with you, how can they do that?
Yeah, so all our information is right here. You can always come to the sales models to see James and Virginia. They do have 3 different locations here, and I'm happy to help as well. And yeah, just reach out. Happy to answer your questions.